Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you a prank which you can do on your friends using Termax app. So I have already made my video, last video, I've just uploaded it today. So you can go and check it out. It's on Kali Linux, how you can do it using Kali Linux. So now you can do this for everywhere. Like if you're sitting in US, you can do a prank on Canada, so guy sitting in Canada or guy sitting in India or somewhere like that. So yeah, like that. And make sure you use this only for an prank purpose and not for irritating someone. So if you do anything criminal deeds, like if you perform any wrong things, I, Speedbomb and YouTube will not be responsible. Who is Speedbomb? You'll get to know it about in the further video. So let's get started. So this is my own phone. As you can see, I've been requested to use it on my own phone. So you need to type pkg update. Now you need to update it. So I have just updated it, so I don't think I'll get any update. Okay, no, we have. So there is a 176 KB update, so you need to go ahead and click the update one. You have to update it or else it will not work. Then you need to type pkg upgrade, then wait for it. Just wait. Now I'll give you a description. I'll give you a link in the description. That's for the Tbomb. So that link is this one: GitHub speedx/Tbomb. Now if you don't know how to get this link, you just go to Google and make sure your desktop over here, guys. You need to go back here and then you need to type in pkg install git. So I have already installed it. After installing it, you need to type in git clone, then copy the space, that thing. So this is the one, and then hit enter. Now just wait for it. It will clone into git. Just wait for a bit and you'll be good to go. So it's done, as you can see. So now if I press ls, so here it's our Tbomb, as you can see. So the Tbomb is right over here, sorry, just below that. So now you need to type in the cd Tbomb and then type in ls. Now as you can see, this is in green, but if it is not in green, you need to type in chmod plus x and then a star, I guess. So it's done, and then type in ls. So now as you can see, all of them are executable. Then you need to type in bash Tbomb. Now see, this is case sensitive. You need to, if the T is in capital, you need to type the T in capital only. .sh. Press enter to continue. For enter, you just need to press this button, hit enter. So it will start downloading the script for which you'll work. It depends on the internet connection. So I'm pausing the video till it's done. So as you can see, it's showing press enter to continue. I'll show you the list. So it was here when I paused the video, and then I've done nothing, and then just you need to press enter, and here you go, you have the Tbomb. So you can do, there are 5 options, but actually we are only concerned for the first two options. First one is start SMS bomber, second one is to start call bomber. So what is SMS bomber and call bomber? Like if you press one, then it will it will ask you a country code. Like I'm in India, so mine is 91 without plus sign, and uh, yeah, and it will ask you to enter the phone number. So like you enter the phone number, it will, and then it will ask you how many messages to be sent. So 90% times, 80% of the messages go. Like if you type in 8 messages, like 7 or 6 messages will definitely go. So that's the thing I'm going to show you practically. And then call bomber is that when you type the number of calls to be bombed, means you are going to, it's basically a flooding attack. And flooding attack means like spamming something continuously. So that's the thing. So I'm going to do one, and then here you go, checking for updates, starting T-bomb. So enter your country code. I'm in India, so mine is 91 without plus, and then enter your target number. So definitely I'm not going to show you my number. Then don't type 0. I suggest you not to type in 0, because it's Android and it can crash. So like if you want to do for unlimited, you can just press in 1000. That I'm going to press 10 and then hit enter. Then recommended 2, but I'm giving 1. You can give 2 also. So here we go. Now, as you can see, successful request 1, number of sent, both successful, 3 successful, 4 successful, 5. So 1 is unsuccessful. Then see 5, 6, 7, as you can see, and use this for fun, not for revenge. So as you can see, so we had done completed 10 successful requests, then it stops. So this is a new feature right now. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, and one more special thing, like if you have given a large amount of requests, like hundred and thousands, and you want to stop it, you just need to, once again I'm going to show you how to do it. Type in cd, 1 second guys, cd tbomb, then bash tbomb message, enter, this, and then it will check for updates. Now 91 7 8 9 0 23, like I gave 23 and I gave this. Now you want to stop it, you can just type control C. So as you can see, it just stops the request. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, and thanks for your incredible support. I have got 6 hours watch time in just 11 days, and that's a huge count for me. Oh, I guess 19. Yeah, in 19 days I've got 6 hours view. So thanks guys for that. I completely appreciate you all guys for helping me. Thanks for watching. Bye.